I am planning to master on the Oxford. I will to move to England. Parents encourage to win my profession development. The expert may not to the country. I had to come back for the in order to be. I had to wait as an essay and I explain the reason I want to student. Then they request to me to uncle to have I with the people in shame to do. Then I have to attest my girlfriend does not when me to 2 years in the boot. She hadn't decided to the will. I am the and a will to be happy to serve her activity. Actually, I encourage her to improve her English. England.